The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Dance
Zero, which is on this board here. Zero. Alright, so let's keep it. Right?
I didn't give nobody permission to record my image and like.
Nobody give you permission to come here, sir.
Boss, this is my land. What permission you have to come on my land?
Come. Watch our sign here, sir. Watch our sign. Morales and McDonald. Morales and McDonald.
You can be charged.
I know you.
Recognize
So you don't get offended already?
of harassment.
Pana, you on we land.
Charge.
You on we land in the first place.
Mr. Officer, this is a civil matter. This is a civil matter. You as the police have no jurisdiction on this. This is a civil matter. My son, this is a civil matter. This is a civil matter. The police has no jurisdiction on this. The police has no jurisdiction on it. Okay?
Who's that? Who do
Man, you're threatening to run me over with something.
This is my land. This is my land. This is my land. I want to know why you're coming. I want to know why. I want to know what reason are there to cover my land.
Forget he?
And this one is obstructing the man.
You see the red jersey there?
From
Take him into
his
custody
job.
for me, please. Which one?
That one in the red jersey.
No, we're fighting for the rights, no.
Take me. Take you to the police vehicle.
What are they locking him up for? What are they arresting him for?
Assaulting a police
You never did. You wasn't here. You wasn't here. No.
Touch him.
Somebody on arrest. You will go with him, eh?
The man committed no offense.
Look this up. Go with him. Put him in the vehicle. Put him in the vehicle. Anybody never watch?
Look, this man was right here.
You can't joke. What did he do? What did he do?
The officer was right here.
What he did?
Sir, the officer was right here. He never checked.
What are they looking him for? No, I never. Nobody was exchanging words.
No, I just tell you where I came from.
Anybody put hands on one, yeah? They're going for
Man didn't break no law. Officer McDonald, the man didn't break no law.
boss. Don't come and assault
Morales, we didn't
Don't point up in the woman's face.
Morales, we were having discussion. Wait, boys. Wait, steer tactics again. Steer tactics again.
This one.
Making threats is an offense.
This is my land here.
Where's your papers?
This is my land here.
Where's your document?
What document? What reason are they? What reason, sir?
Where's the document?
Mr. Officer, what is your name?
What Morales?
Mr. Morales, what is your right to come in my land here today? What reason are you in my land today?
Speak to the surveyors.
What right do you have to come into my land today?
You say this is your land?
Yeah.
Watch him, he know he get it.
Wait, sir. I just said, Mr. Morales come and she laughed too, boy, because she knew I was going to take place. You understand? I want to see what Yeah. But God is with justice, God.
Right.
Take that, boy, hey.
What did he tell you?
Take
This
that.
one?
Yeah.
Said he will run us over something 10 minutes and he will take whatever he has and come and run us over.
Well, this is my property. This is my land.
I explained
You all are trespassing on my land, eh?
You still listen.
You all are trespassing on my land.
Take.
You all are trespassing on my land, eh? You all are trespassing on my land. I want to know what all are doing on my land.
Explain to them if they want to talk to someone, go and talk to the man.
We don't need to talk. This is a civil matter. The police can't come to tell me what to do. The police.
Did you all go and file the injunction?
They have papers and they have
Boss, you're not listening enough. You're not listening enough. Mr. Morales, you're not listening enough. You're not listening enough. Where your papers? Where your papers to come in my land? Where your papers to come in my land? Bring your papers and come in my land. Then I go show you. You're trespassing in my land. You're trespassing in my land. You're trespassing on my land. You're trespassing on my land, big man. Big man, you're trespassing on my land. Mr. Officer, Mr. Morales, you're getting problem with this. This is a civil matter. This matter is before the court. My attorney is Mr. Amran. My attorney is Mr. Anna Ramlogan. My attorney is...
Viewers and subscribers, the first thing we have to point out is that all of the land them we say people say them have and say I feed them one is not theirs. It's the king and queen own the land. If you look on the title that you have, that title mark landholder, right? So that means you're paying tax for sure. Say yo, this little part here so is yours and your land. You see me? Now, you have the piece of property and them say you are your land and all these things. You see me? I say, fine. Alright, watch this now. You know you have your paperwork and so forth, and that is yours. And these people come and say them do some land severing and so forth, right? You don't need to come out and in argument with them because it is yours. So even if one time the severe man done severe where my severe and the mistake make, you can always take them to court for it. And if you spend money to get it severe over and all these things, remember no. When you show proof and you win, them have got to pay back that plus for your time, where they make you waste. You get the message to you? So you don't need to in argument. You don't need to go out there and in bullyism with anyone to prove a point. You get me? This land fighting thing is something where they all over throughout the world. You see me I say? All over. And that's something what me see for myself. You see me I say? Me see it in a ghetto and all these things. You see me? Alright. Let me give you one example of certain things when you talk about land fighting and all these things. Now see? And listen me now. I want to say this first. A land without road has no value. You see me I say? And if you're going to have a land and you're not going to have a road to the land, that land is going to develop into a ghetto. Slowly but surely. You get what I say to you? And listen to this now. Two big pieces of land, the side and side. You understand me? And you know, there's maybe some problem with the whole road issue or so forth, because you don't know, sometimes some places never depend on the plan with where anywhere in the country there. It's like the plan never point out good. You see me I say? Now, because of greed or maybe because of understanding or something, you see me I say, the thing, remember no, this is just an example me I telling you. You see me I say, even though it might be of experience, but it's just an example, you see. Now, as me I say, because they might not understand now, you see me I say, them turn around and say that, look, no road can go through this because this is my land. Now remember no, this your land need road, you know. But because you feel like you're gonna lose piece of the land now, which is the people we are talking now. You see me I say, them say no road can go through this. You see me I say, when that same road is needed for your property, as me say no, a land without road, it not no value. Alright, so you don't make the road go there now, and the road don't go there. Remember no, with development can't happen without road, you know. And we are talking about land fight same way, you know, because, you know, just because of the road, you see me I say, then it's a race. So alright, then it's a private property, right? Fine. Now, when you go suburbs now and you don't make road go through the property, your land not no value. And because the road can't go through this, so now you know what, the other property can't get it now. So the other place now I got turn and get us slowly but surely. So even if you build a private road for your land at the end of the day, but the road don't make the other piece of land don't get none now, that place I got turn a ghetto. And then that ghetto I got still devalue your land. And that's what I mean by understanding, is it? So that is just one example. Another example is when it's like, you know, and this most happening at the ghetto. You see me I say, where you have this man now, you will have film property, and in property the right there so in front of you. No, that, you know, like say you have a passing property then. But maybe the little place where you get in the ghetto too small for him, so him start push out him fence. You see? Remember no. Every man that like to drive God in yard, you know. But when them push out that fence now, you can't drive God your yard. You see me? So you go to no babs and say, yo, and a so you for there no drive back in, ray. Now them are gonna use bullyism, ray, and at the same time, it's like You know I've got to react with the same thing now. Bam, one of who do foolishness and end up in prison. The two want to lose the land, said we. You see the problem? You see, anytime, and this is the thing I'm going to tell you, anytime you're at a place where you say land and fight over, move. You see me? If you have a little piece, sell it and move. That's my advice. I don't tell you so you have to do it. You know? This is just my advice. I'm just trying to tell you to just prevent war and fuss when it comes to land thing. See me, that's what I basically try to tell you. You see what I say? Yeah, because you see, this thing with land fighting is not now. This thing is from ancient days where people clash for properties. Alright? Well, anyways, now with all of what I say now, you don't have to take my word for it. If I'm wrong, you can let me know on everything. So I say, I bring this stone for just make you know, say, yo, when you say land fight and everything, they try and avoid it by all means. Alright? Anyways, so if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.